Microsoft is rolling out a huge update for Windows 11, which introduces the new Windows Copilot feature. This update highlights Windows Copilot as a prominent addition to Windows 11, essentially integrating the Bing Chat feature directly into the Windows 11 desktop. It is presented as a sidebar within Windows 11, providing users with the ability to manage PC settings, initiate app launches, and easily respond to inquiries. Furthermore, Microsoft is implementing Copilot across various aspects of the Windows operating system. Copilot, as stated by the company, is designed to expedite tasks, minimize obstacles, deliver tailored responses, and conserve the user's time. New features coming with Windows 11 Copilot Update. 1. Paint Revamp. The classic Paint application is receiving an enhanced makeover powered by generative AI through Windows 11 Copilot. Microsoft, headquartered in Redmond, is pledging a range of new features, including AI assistance for drawing and digital art creation, a background remover, and more. Furthermore, Microsoft has announced the commencement of the Paint Co-Creator preview rollout to Windows Insider's users starting today, with availability to the general public expected in the near future. Co-Creator allows users to generate unique images by inputting a text prompt and selecting a specific style. Microsoft explained that users can then utilize a variety of other tools in Paint to further refine their creations, such as adding layers or drawing on top. Just wait a moment. Before we go any further, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content like this. Your support means a lot to us. 2. Snipping Tool. The Snipping Tool is gaining a new capability to capture audio alongside screen recordings. To initiate a screen recording on Windows, users can use the shortcut Windows plus Shift+R or the print screen button. Notably, the software will also offer functions such as extracting particular text from images and safeguarding sensitive data through text redaction. 3. Upgrades to Photos app. Microsoft has enhanced the Photos app by introducing fresh AI-driven functionalities such as background blur and enhanced search outcomes. Background blur empowers users to emphasize the main subject in their photos by automatically detecting and blurring the background. Also, users will have the option to easily adjust the degree of blur and customize the specific areas they wish to blur. 4. No more passwords. Microsoft is introducing the Passkeys feature, which generates a distinct and impossible-to-guess credential, enabling users to bypass traditional passwords. Instead, they can utilize their facial recognition, fingerprint, or device PIN for account logins. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed this wonderful video on Windows' new update. Now, we have a question for you. Do you think Copilot can compete with ChatGPT? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content like this. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and curious.